no tomorrow.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so I'm here with my niece, Kinsley. We are inviting you guys to come along with us today. I'm going to be cleaning up the cabin. My family and I are going to start staying in a cabin now. We're getting out of the horse trailer finally. Oh my gracious. Yes, such a great thing. But we're going to be staying in the horse trailer. I mean, in the cabin. And so I wanted to show y'all kind of like the before, what it looked like. And then obviously, you know, I'm going to give y'all a little tour for after. But anyways, I wanted y'all to meet my niece and also let y'all know that we were going to be doing the cabin today. All right, let's jump right in. Okay, guys, so we are at the cabin. This is the cabin. Now, right over there is the horse trailer that we've been staying in. That's my mother-in-law and father-in-law's house right there. And then this is the little cabin that we are going to stay in. Now, mind you, before we go in here, let me just tell you, this has not been stayed in almost 5 years. So nobody has been in here doing anything, cleaning, doing anything like that in almost 5 years. So that's why it's going to look like it does when you see it. But hey, me and the kids are going to get this cleaned up and we will have it ready to go lickety split. But as you can see, the floors are pretty funky. He's already been sweeping over there a little bit. But I mean, even the beds have, you know, just dirt and dust, and they use these for hunting cabins. So if I had to guess, the last people that stayed in here probably just, you know, kind of left it as is. But it's got a little kitchenette there, full-size bed with the bunk up top. It does have a washer and dryer. Now we're gonna move this. It's all kind of, I'm gonna rearrange completely actually. But anyways, there's another set of bunk beds back here. So we got plenty of room for me and the kids, well, me and Jordan and the kids. And then there's actually another little cot bed right there. So lots of sleeping area. And then we've got this little bathroom. And like I said, guys, the floors are funky. I mean, it all has to be cleaned. But you can see there, I mean, it's even got like spider webs, for heaven's sakes. Bless it. Bless it. We are going to get it cleaned up though. And this is where we're going to stay for a little bit. I'm super excited about this actually. We've been in that horse trailer for so long that I am very, very, very ready to get into this cabin. I'm ready to have my kids back home with me. That's what my main thing is. But yeah, I got a little kitchen, little sink, and it's just a little 1-bedroom deal. But there's the kids. Say hi, guys. They did not want to be in this video. Anyways, all right, well, we're going to get to work cleaning, and I will give y'all another tour just as soon as we are done. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I had to pop on here and give y'all some awesome news. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we just got through with the bank and the lady that does the blueprints. And we have literally just designed our own house. We're waiting on the bank, and then it's time to build. I'm so excited, y'all. I just cannot even tell y'all. It's almost bittersweet because I'm so excited. Like who wouldn't be excited to build their own house? Oh my gosh, hello. But at the same time, like I would just go back home and all of this be over in a heartbeat, okay? So it's very, very bittersweet. But either way, I'm so excited, and I could not wait to share this with y'all. I know you guys have been praying for us, and a lot of you sent donations, and I just wanted to, you know, give y'all an update and let you know that, yes, we are definitely going to be building, and we're waiting on the bank right now. That's all we're waiting on. Just when we get the okay from them, then it is time to Put on your work boots, right? Anyways, I will definitely keep you guys, updated along the way and show y'all every little nook and cranny. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anyways, I thought I would just give you guys some wonderful news and share that with y'all. And like I said, I know that a lot of you guys have been praying for us and y'all sent the donations and stuff like that. And I just cannot thank you enough. I honestly cannot thank you enough, because the outpouring of kindness that was shown to me and my family when the tornado hit was unbelievable. That's how much people reached out. It was just absolutely overwhelming and incredibly unbelievable. I mean, it was just unbelievable. It's been a roller coaster of a ride, but we're on the other side now, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to share it with y'all. I've been about to pop to get on this video. Anyways, all right. So I wanted to share that with y'all. And then I also wanted to remind you guys that we have been doing the daily devotionals. So Monday through Friday, I pop on for about a little 10-minute-ish video. It is a daily devotional. I am reading from the book Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. You can find that at Walmart, Amazon, Audible, most anywhere that sells books. But yeah, it's been a great time. We have lots of discussions in the comments section, lots of prayer requests, stuff like that. It's just been a great time. So if you, always, y'all, I've always got a dog very close to me. At all times, there's going to be a dog somewhere. So you two get down. All right, get down, baby. No, get down. Get down. Anyways, so, if you have missed any of those episodes of the daily devotionals, I have those linked in the description box for you. And if you have missed any of the videos, you're kind of wondering, what in the world is she talking about? They're building a house now and she's doing daily devotionals, and like, what happened to the DIYs? If you have missed any of that, I will have those videos linked in the description box as well. And that will get you caught back up to date on my life. All right, guys, let's jump right in. All right, so to start with, in the cabin, we just started by taking everything out. I threw away anything that could be chunked, and then like the bedding and all, we literally took garbage bags and just bagged it all up. That way, if the washer and dryer works, I can wash it all up for the guy that owns the cabin, or I can, let them wash it up or something. But I didn't want to just throw away the bedding, anyways, but obviously it needed to be taken out. But the kids were there to help me. It was awesome. We actually had a good time. We put the speaker on, had our music going, cleaned and danced and laughed, and it was a good time. But I had to spray everything down. I sprayed lots of Lysol and lots of bug spray. The cabin, after we cleaned everything, we actually did not stay in it the very first night. Once everything was cleaned and put away and, like it was going to be, I set off bug bombs just in case, because we found so many dead spiders, y'all. Oh my God. It was like arachnophobia going on. Anyways, but they were all dead. I only killed like 2 live spiders and maybe 2 or 3 wasps. But I thought it would be best just to set those bombs off just in case. And then I did spray 4 spiders all the way around the perimeter of the cabin. Now, I took some Microban cleaning stuff, and I wiped everything down with that first, just to disinfect everything. I mean, nobody's been in here in literally like almost 5 years, but I just wanted to disinfect everything. We needed to get all the bugs up, get all the dirt and just whatever, was in there. So we mostly swept, mopped, and just wiped everything down. But I took the broom and like went across the walls. I went around the window sills, just little stuff like that. Cleaned out the mini fridge, obviously cleaned the sink and all. 2 things that I want to make sure was super clean was that this sink and the bathroom. I'm just funny like that. I like a clean kitchen and a clean bathroom. And I love the kids. Look here, Gracie had to pop her hand in. And then here in a second, there you go, my son. Y'all, they do that when I'm filming, and then like when I go back to edit, it's in there and I'll get so tickled. I love it. So I thought I would just leave it in the video for y'all to see. And if you can see my face at all in this video, you're probably wondering why I look so funny. Well, that's because I had on no makeup that day. But once again, just figured I'd be authentic, leave it in there as is. This was a cleaning day, and I did not care about putting on no hair and makeup. Now, once the floors had been swept and mopped with some of the Fabuloso cleaner, I went back over it with this Mop and Shine. I got this at the Dollar General store, and y'all, it worked really, really good. Now, like I said, the floors had been cleaned prior to this. My daughter actually mopped with some Fabuloso first, and then we did this. Okay, so I got everything clean. I'm going to give y'all another little tour here in just a minute, but we did get everything clean. All the beds have been redone. I put these, it's like a mattress cover, but it actually goes on both the mattress and the box spring, and then it has this zipper. See here, you can do the zipper with it. So that's very cool because it keeps it, you know, it's not going to come off or anything. So I'm really digging the whole like zipper deal. And I got that at the Dollar General store. I believe it was like $8. But yeah, so got those on all of the mattresses. This one was a little big on that mattress, but I did put one on the full-size bed. That's where Jordan and I will be sleeping. And then once again, it's got the zipper. So that's very, very cool. Makes me feel a little better about the spiders. Anyways, what I was going to show y'all though is, before I give you the tour, I'm going to put some things away. I picked up a couple little decorating things, like literally a few. But I did get like towels and sheets and blankets and toilet paper. And then I got a little rug. But yeah, so I'm going to put all, and I got everything from the Dollar General store. So I'm going to put everything out, and then I will give y'all a little tour of it. All right, guys. I just wanted it to feel like home, kind of. You know, I mean, I know it's not going to be home, but it is going to be where we are staying for the next couple of months, probably. So, I mean, I just wanted it to have a homey feel to it. You know what I mean? I'm ready for the kids to be back with us. That's going to be awesome, just to be able to have them with me, you know, every night again. And it's just, we're going to make the best of it. All right, guys, I got it all clean. I can't wait to show y'all. Let's go in. So we got our cute little mat. Got this from the dollar store. Also, the cute little mat outside that said "Count Your Blessings." That came from the dollar store. Here we go. Ta-da! Oh, it feels so good to have it done. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be so nice to be in here for a little bit. Yeah. So this one is where John Wesley's gonna be staying. And the comforters that I have on their beds are actually sleeping bags that were donated to us. So if you donated some sleeping bags, thank you so, so much. I have no idea where they came from, but I do know that they were donated, and they came in handy for sure, because we can just use those as a comforter. This will be where Gracie will be sleeping. And then our little kitchenette deal we got over here. I got these placemats and also the tray from the Dollar General store. The tray was $5, and I believe the placemats were $3 for two. I'm almost sure that's how the placemats came. Anyway, sorry about that. So over here, I got this little light bar. I bought that at Five Below for the kids for Christmas. I was gonna, well, actually let Gracie Ray put it in her bedroom, but anyway, she doesn't have a bedroom right now. So I just thought I'd stick it up in here while we had it in. But I got that at Five Below for $5, literally. And then, of course, there's my ring light. And then over here to decorate, I put this little box, just a little wooden box with the rope handles. That was $5. I got that at the Dollar General store. Not totally sure if the washer and dryer actually work. They're not plugged up right now to work, but I'm not sure if they even do. We'll have to see about that one. Anyways, then we got our little heater. So this place is heated by these electric heaters. So I got one there and then also one right there. But it keeps it pretty warm in here. It's actually nice in here. I think it's about 68 or so. So it's decent because it's like 18 degrees outside right now. So that's actually pretty good. And then these beds, I figure the dogs will make their home here on this bottom bunk if I had to guess. And then Bella will probably be on the top because you guys know how she is. She likes to perch. But I got those comforters, these comforters that are on these beds. I picked those up at Five Below. Now, I believe they're $10, but they are a nice comforter. Like, no joke, they're super soft. They're pretty thick. Pretty decent size, thickness or whatever, but yeah, these are super, super nice. And they came from Five Below. And then over here, Jordan and I will be sleeping on this one. I got the sheets from the Dollar General store. I haven't actually put the comforter and stuff on yet. I've got to go get that from the horse trailer. It's actually still in the horse trailer. So I'll have to go get our pillows and that kind of stuff. But I wanted to go ahead and show y'all everything while I had it all nice and neat. But I got my little rugs, little throw rugs from the Dollar General store. They were like $6 a piece, I believe. Got my towels from the Dollar General store. The little pink tote that they're in came from the Dollar Tree, actually. And it goes with this little set of stuff. Got the bath towels, rags, from the Dollar General store. And then I got of course, the little pink set from the Dollar Tree. And then it also has a couple more baskets up here that match it. But then on the back of the toilet, I got another one of those little boxes from the Dollar General. Too stinking cute. I love those little boxes. And it was only $5 for that little box. I think that's so cute. I just love them. Anyways, the shower curtain, picked it up at the Dollar General store. Y'all know I love pink and gray, so it was perfect. Anyways, so there you have it. There's our cute little bathroom. So proud of this little place, y'all. Oh my goodness, you just don't know how bad we needed in here. That horse trailer was really starting to close in on me. Though I am very, very grateful. It's time to get out of the horse trailer. Oh, everybody say hi to my pretty man. There he is. Y'all don't get to see him very often. Babe, you gonna say hi to him? He don't do the camera, guys. He don't like it. Anyways, all right, so that was it. I just wanted to show y'all now that I got everything fixed up and kind of situated, a little more homey. But yeah, so this is it. This is the cabin.